Good day, ma'am. I'm Gismargie Soy Bagyo, and my reporting is A Tale of Two Cities. Let's start with the opening. It was the best of times. It was the worst of times. The novel sent during the violent French Revolution. A Tale of Two Cities follows the epic love triangle, including Charles Darnay, a French aristocrat, Sidney Carton, his lookalike, and the beautiful Lucy Manette. Next, here's our main characters. Charles Darnay, our main character. Lucy Manette, our heroine. Sidney Carton, the lookalike of our main character. Dr. Marnette, the father of Lucy Manette. Madame Defarge, the embodiment of the revolution violence. Monsieur Defarge represent the common people rising against the aristocracy. Jarvis Lorry represent stability and order. Miss Pross represent English spirit. Next, let's start with the initial setup. In 1775, Jarvis Lorry travels to Paris to facilitate the release of Dr. Manette after 18 years of unjust imprisonment, and Lucy, Dr. Manette's daughter, brings her father back to England for healing. Next, life in England. After 5 years, Dr. Manette recovers his sanity. The story then jumps ahead to 1780 London, where Charles Darnay, being charged for providing secret to the French and Americans during American Revolution. That's why Charles Darnay's lawyer find his lookalike, that is Sidney Carton. Because they are identical, the court cannot accuse Darnay to be a spy. After that, faithfully, Darnay and Curtin fall in love with Lucy Manette, who is forced to be witness to the persecution. After 1 year of courtship, Lucy decides to marry Darnay, and Curtin said that even if you cannot repay my love for you, I will do anything for you. On the day of the couple's wedding, Darnay reveals to Dr. Manette that he is a French nobleman who renounced his title. Next is the French Revolution. Back to the Paris, an English spy went to the Defarge shop. He want to know if Defarge is a revolutionary, while Defarge is not showing anything, but his wife, Madame Defarge, net a list of names that they will execute. execute. 8 years later, in 1789, French Revolution is on the way. Peasants storm the street to kill aristocrats. Next is Darnay's return and imprisonment. Darnay returned and arrested as a nobleman and a immigrant. He is thrown to jail, while Dr. Manette, Lucy, and her daughter followed Darnay to Paris. Dr. Manette uh, temporarily released Darnay, but the Defarge reveal a document why Dr. Manette is arrested before. It because he is a witness of rape of a peasant woman and the murder of her brother. That's why Darnay is sentenced to death. Next is second arrest and Carton's sacrifice. Carton is determined to help Lucy, so he go to the Paris. There he heard that the plan of Defarge to kill Lucy and her daughter. So he planned to evacuate them. After that, he go to the jail and he recognized the guard, one of the guards. He is the brother of Miss Bros, the servant of Dr. Manette. They plan to replace Darnay with him. So he is the one who is executed in the last scene. That's all. So, what is the theme of this novel or story? The theme of this story or novel is rebirth and sacrifice. One of the example of rebirth is the recovery of Dr. Manette, and one of the example of sacrifice is Carton's sacrifice. That's all. Thank you, ma'am.